Hello, my name is Silvia. Mm, it's my presentation for things to do in my hometown. Okay, I live in the city of Bogota, um, and I tell you the different things you can do in my hometown. In Bogota, we find different museums, for example, the Gold Museum, the National Museum, the Police Museum, the House the Coin, among others. There is much to learn about my culture. Also, we find Sisiapa Park, park with rides, cycling trails, for biking around town, and many clubs where you can listen your favorite music and dancing. There are also bull rides, circus, libraries, and other activities to have fun. Okay, thank you.